is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful sensation.
It's me. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
I came here yesterday and you said I should come back today for an interview.
Oh, okay. I remember. But I told you to come by 9 a.m. Today is 12 p.m. already.
I'm sorry, sir. It was traffic.
Traffic? Okay, you're lucky. This job has not been taken yet. Just hold on. Let me confirm from my boss. Oh?
Thank you.
Perfect, peaceful sensation now is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
What did you say?
You're lucky.
It's beautiful and so
Thank you very much. Thank you.
when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Kara. Is she the one that applied for the housekeeping job?
Yes, sir. She's the one, sir.
Hey! How can I even work for this man? After all he did to me. Why did I even meet him again? When I am trying so hard to forget the horrible experience. I just wasted my transport fare to come here. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I thank you. Father, thank you for a beautiful day like this. Father, I am going out now in search of a job. Father, I pray that whatever that will make me not to get this job is cancelled in the name of Jesus. Amen. Father, please today, I commit my today into your hands, that all the men that will come my way will be serious men. Any unserious man that will come my way today, Holy Ghost fire, let the fire of God consume them. Let the fire of God consume them. Father, no unserious man will see me today. In the name of Jesus. Who is knocking on my door?
Yo, baby. Gigi.
Longinus, do you want to break down my door?
No. I came to say hi.
Who is your baby?
Yo, you are G1, baby. See my bags. I just feel the jackpot. There's a lot of money inside. I would like to take you out around 5 in the evening. I'll take you to the biggest restaurant in Lagos City. You can buy fish, buy shark, and buy anything you want. I'm there for you.
It's like there's something wrong with you. What's wrong with you? Come on, go out of your store.
Yo! Babe, I know you are hungry, but I don't like what you do. Don't you see my dressing? All this while I'm giving you a note, but you don't like. You keep avoiding me. Just because of you, I went to the biggest boutique in Lagos to get this my dress. Now you are pushing me. I don't like it. Baby, you know, love you.
Will you get out of here?
Oh! Babe!
God forbid!
Babe! What?
God! What is this? God forbid! I reject this kind of face! This early morning! Jesus! God, you see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, Father, eh? Look at the person that just came here now! Am I not beautiful enough? Why can't you just send someone meaningful my way? Who can that be now? Hello, Thelma.
Okay, where have you been? I've been trying to reach you since morning.
I'm sorry, I had a flat battery. I was charging my phone in my neighbor's house. She just brought it.
Anyways, I am going shopping and I need somebody to come with me to select outfits.
But you said I don't have a good fashion sense now.
I know that, trust me. But I just need somebody to be there with me to tell me some things that look good, that complement my shape. Just come, John.
Thelma, I have an interview. I need to hurry.
Okay, I'll text you the boutique address.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon. Landlord.
Good morning. Good afternoon. In fact, good evening. Good night. Ori Okwe. What else you want to talk? Eh? You know, so
Right,
the come here. You buy waiting. You know, see your rent expired 2 days ago. We don't know.
Sir, it's just 2 days overdue now. I'm going to pay you.
Just 2 days overdue. Make I tell you, whether you will pay or no pay, I'm collecting my money by force. And let me tell you, I will not collect 6 months. The other time you told me, very soon we will get married. The packer come up from my house. See now you never pack out though. My money 1 year rent. I will not collect 6 months. You understand me?
But landlord, no be waiting I talk. I tell you say I've been praying to God to send me husband. But I didn't see the husband now.
Husband never come, Abi. Whether you come or you no come, I no send you. Look at my face. I no send you. My money must complete it. I dey tell you. Pay my money. Your rent don't expire. I say you know. I know they pay my money. Make you let your rent. Your rent correct.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm here for the interview.
There's no interview here.
No, sir. No, I came here yesterday and they said I should come back today for an interview.
By this time, sorry ma, there is no interview.
Sir, please, no. Sir, please, I was on traffic for the past 2 hours, please.
Madam, I said there is no interview here. I'm sorry.
Oh, God, what is this? What's... Hello, Mama. Please, can I call you back? I'm busy.
You are always busy. Chika Ramobi, hope you're not avoiding me.
I said I'll call you back. I am busy.
Well, I just called to inform you that Mama Chinwendu just left the house now. She came to inform your father and I that Chinwendu, her daughter, will be getting married by the end of this month.
Okay, congratulations to her. Bye-bye. God. You see this dwarf called Longinus? He just came in this morning and ruined my day. Hello, Thelma. I am sorry. I'm trying to call the taxi driver. You give me his number.
I just got to the boutique. Where are you?
Okay, I'll see you.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Anyhow,
It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift.
yo, Jiggy, yo, nigga. Can I see you for a minute? Yo, mo. Maggie. Yo, what's pumping, nigga?
I mean, they talk to
Yo, take it, man.
me, yo.
I'm talking to you, motherfucker. Why you look at me like that? Yo, I'm looking for my babe. Oh, I mean my baby, you know.
You know, say, see,
Oh,
normally they tell me say they get problem, but I don't believe them. Number one, you come here and they pass, you know, greet me.
oh, my bad. I make a mistake. I was looking for my babe, then I forgot to greet. Yo, that's how we go.
Okay, yo, now I be greeting.
Yo, fam, that's how we go.
Now, I must tell you, this babe now, all of us where they this compound. All the guys where they with the hustle make we
You
get attention.
say what? You are falling for my babe. Are you guys? Don't let me take.
We will complete, we never get her, now you won't get them.
Oh, you can't get it because she's my babe. Let's leave matter.
Okay.
Don't talk. I need your help.
My help.
Yeah. I need your. Please, I know she's your neighbor. Can you please give me her contact? I want to give her a call.
Okay, wait. Okay, she be your babe.
Yeah.
And you want make me give you her contact.
Bro, you can't understand. It has a reason. So, just give me a contact.
This thing, be like say madness, your blood.
Oh! Are you
And
talking to me?
Well, get that voice.
Bro, are you talking to me? I asked for a contact and you abused me. Get the fuck. Yo! You! Yo!
If I say your own small rich, you know, enter any,
She did. You should know it's not how I like. This fully man will be talking to me here.
Special, priceless,
Your father.
beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational
Thank
is
you.
the gift of true love to
Don't worry, I'm
every
used to it. I'll look
heart.
around. Alright.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart.
Hi, you work here? She already helped me. I'm good.
No, I don't work here. I guess you don't remember my face. We once met at a friend's housewarming party. I was trying to get your attention, but it seemed like you were distracted with something else. I kind of had to wait. But then I looked for you.
It's not me. It's not me. I don't know you.
Okay, can I at least get to know your name?
Why are you still standing here? No, this is embarrassing. I've told you I don't know you. Is that the new pickup line you guys do now? This is embarrassing. Jesus.
It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you.
Thank you.
Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
This is not picking up our calls now. What kind of problem is this? Thelma. Babe, now.
I'm sorry.
What is this?
I'm sorry. I'm here now.
Always late.
I'm here. Let's.
Sorry. Hello? Hello? Yes, Oma. You're back. You're back. Okay. No. I'm not doing anything. I'm free. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. Bye. So my just got into town. You're forgiven. Listen, babe. Here. I left a dress with her. Please. Take now. Pay for me. Buy yourself something. Not your MBK cloth. Alright? So my is back. Come on.
What the ones we are
just shop. Oh, bye.
Oh, bye.
Sorry. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Tommy.
My name is Carol.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I don't mind to bother you or anything. I guess you want to get some things, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, cool. If you don't mind, maybe when you're done, I could drop you off.
I don't mind at all.
So, take your time. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart.
You need to come home. I have a juicy gist for you.
Carol, just listen. I'm busy right now. I'll call you back later, okay?
Why can't you just be happy for me? Anyway, let me call Mama. Hello, Mama.
Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Hey, buddy. It's been a while. Well, it's good news this time around. I think I've found the man I've been waiting for all my life. His name is Tomiwa. He is so cute. Tall, muscular, and I guess he's rich too. I know you think I'm being too forward. Hey, don't judge me. The truth is, I deeply feel this connection between us, even though we just met. This will be all for now. Don't worry, I'll keep you posted. Bye, buddy. Dear God, thank you for this good work that you've started in my life. I knew that a day like this would come. I appreciate you so much.
I don't tell you small. Pay my rent, you don't pay my rent. Now, if you when I want to build this house, your family give you money, happy. I have build this place, happy. If you don't pay my rent, you want to enter wahala. Make I tell you, you get 2 weeks. 2 weeks to pack out of this house. Otherwise, you go enter wahala. Wo, ma ṣe le tori e ti o pe yen. O ma padà pé. O bo nbe yen. Take le pe o, sanwó mi o. I don't tell you my own. O bo. Tell me.
You don't need to bother yourself, landlord. I might even leave this place before the set time. So, take a chill pill.
Oh, mo like here go. Pack out for me, you no concern me. My hope be say, pack out for my house. Pack out. You are a debtor. A debtor. Pack out of my house. A debtor in your face. Debtor. Debtor, please. Pack out of my house.
Hello?
Hey, Kara. This is Tomiwa.
Tomiwa. How are you?
Cool, yeah. Can we meet up this evening?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'll text you the address.
It's okay.
See you soon. Bye.
I will soon be on my way. Of course, I remember the place. I know the venue, yes. Alright. See you soon. Bye. What are you doing?
What do you mean? You're going to start your makeup.
Whose makeup?
I don't understand. Are you not going on a date?
Thelma, no. I only came here to tell you that I'm ready to go for my date. Why would I start making up?
Thank God you came to tell me. Because you want to go like this.
Yes.
Karen, on a first date.
Mm-hmm.
This girl wants to fold my hand. Come, let's start.
No, please. Thelma, I don't want. This is going to take time. I can't sit for over 1 hour putting on makeup. I can't.
Okay, but you have to. It's the procedure for a date. You do makeup, we'll change this outfit, and then you go.
What I'm wearing is nice.
Okay, come and sit down. There's no time.
There's no time. That's why I need to leave now.
Okay. I won't take more than 1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay, fine. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Come and sit down. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Hurry.
You hurry. Okay, just powder and leave.
Then we'll change the dress. You're not wearing this. I'll find you something to wear from my closet. I've done you 5 minutes. You agree? Yeah.
It's only 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'll get up.
You're wasting time. Now it's 7 minutes.
What?
Okay.
Alright.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Look this way now, Kara.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart.
I am so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay.
Sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Wow. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
What is that you're having?
Oh, this is fruit juice, pineapple flavor.
Oh, that's what I would want.
This?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Waiter. It's coming right up.
Yeah.
The other day I saw you with a lady. She's your friend, right?
Thelma?
Thelma. That's her name.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. And so you guys are like very, very close?
Yes, we are. We've been close for God knows how long.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Interesting. Interesting. I just wanted to be sure, you know.
All right.
I would like to ask for a favor if you don't mind, please.
Of course, whatever it is.
Okay. I would like you to help me talk to your friend. I've been trying to get her attention for God knows how long, but I have failed at it. You know, so please, I was hoping, since you guys are very, very close, I was hoping you could help me convince her to give me a chance. I really, really like her a lot. Please, if you could do that for me, I'll appreciate it. Are you okay? You're not saying anything.
I have to go.
Sorry. Hi, hello. Did I say something wrong?
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift.
Mama, I don't want to talk about it. All I want now is how to pay my rent, Thelma. Thelma, I really need a job.
Hello? Yeah, I'm home. Okay, I'll be out. Sorry, my package is here. But I'm coming, I'm with you.
Yeah? Should I tell her that Tomiwa is actually interested in her and not me? No, I'm not in the right frame of mind. And I think she's not even interested in this guy. Well, if they're truly meant for each other, nature will find a way to make things work between them without getting me involved.
Oh, are you still crying?
Okay.
Don't cry. See, I have things that will make you smile.
Look.
This is so pretty.
Wow. No now. Oh my God. See? Thelma. These are so beautiful. Girl. So, who got them for you?
Yes.
Soma.
Nope.
Chief Douglas.
Nope.
Philip.
Philip. Do you know the last time I spoke to that one? Nope. It's not Philip.
Nicodemus.
God, who is now Nicodemus? Who is Nicodemus now?
What do you want me to say? I've literally called all the names that I know.
Okay. Well, there's this new guy I'm talking to. Fully loaded. His name is Bosco Money.
Another guy?
Uh-huh.
Thelma, how do you feel changing men like property every day?
I feel good. I feel good. Kara, how do you expect me to afford all these luxurious things? By working? I'm not working. I'm too good for that. I can't work underneath anybody. Okay? So, for me to keep up, I gotta maintain baby girl lifestyle. Right? Look at me now. Just look. Look.
Well, baby girl, shall be careful.
But be careful.
Anyway, I came to return your stuff. Thank you for yesterday.
It's nothing. But you can keep that.
Really?
Yes, really. I have more.
Thelma. Thank you.
You're welcome. Kara,
Thank you so much.
I'm hungry. Can you go make us something in the kitchen?
Oh, why not?
You see why I love you? Thank you. Oh, okay. Let me look at my things. All right.
Always ordering me about. I don't blame you. If only I had a job, I would not be here by this time of the day cooking for you. Anyway, if I no chop here, wetin I want chop for house.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Father, thank you for making me to sleep in peace and wake up in extraordinary peace. In the name of Jesus, amen. Thank you, Lord.
That every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
Jesus.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational.
It's me. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
I came here yesterday and you said I should come back today for an interview.
Oh, okay. I remember. But I told you to come by 9 a.m. See, it's 12 p.m. already.
I'm sorry, sir. It was traffic.
Traffic? Okay, you're lucky. This job has not been taken yet. Just hold on. Let me confirm from my boss. Oh?
Thank you.
Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
What did you say?
You're lucky.
It's beautiful and so
Thank you very much.
magical
Thank you.
when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Kara? 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 Is she the one that applied for the housekeeping job?
Yes, sir. She's the one, sir.
Hey! How can I even work for this man? Eh? After all he did to me. Why did I even meet him again? When I am trying so hard to forget the horrible experience. I just wasted my transport fare to come here. My landlord said I should come and pack my things out of the house. He said if I break it, he will call the police on me.
There you are. What are you going to do?
I don't know. I don't even know where to get money to pay for my rent. Thelma, please.
Kai, don't try it. Last time, didn't I give you money to pay your rent? Have you paid me back? No. Now you want to ask again. Baby, get mine though. I swear.
Thelma, I'm sorry, please. When I get a job, I'll pay you. I promise. I promise.
But that's what you said last time. That's what you said last time and you did not pay back. Besides, Kara, me and you were two jobless women. I don't have a job too now, so who is helping who?
Okay, can I at least stay here?
Kara, you can't stay. Oh. You can't stay. You know I like my privacy. Besides, Chief, you know Chief now. Chief doesn't like anyone being here. Even you. You know, he's discreet, so that won't work.
Okay. Please, do you still have food? Because I'm really famished.
Kara, this food I ordered it. This is the only one I have. If you're hungry, go in the kitchen and cook something now.
Thank you. I will. Thelma, please, can I get just one sanitary pad to change?
I'm eating now. I'm eating. I'm eating.
I'm sorry, please. Please.
You know where it is in the drawer. Go and take it from there. Let me let this food enter my body, please.
Sorry now, please. Thank you. Thelma, can I spend just one night here, please? Just this night, please. Please. Don't say no, please. 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 I'm begging you. Please.
Yeah, good morning.
Please, is your guy.
Yes,
Can you take me to him?
of course. Come now.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kara. Please, sit down.
Thank you.
Why did you run away yesterday like that? Did I do something wrong?
I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry. I just want to know why you acted that way. It's fine if you don't want to talk about it.
Thank you. I actually came back to find out if the housekeeping job is still available. I want to apply.
Yeah, it's available. You know what? You got the job.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. I guess you know what the job entails, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you will have to take care of this house and, of course, my stomach. Your salary will be 100,000 naira monthly. Is that okay by you?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. Can you resume immediately?
Yeah, yes, I can.
Fantastic. So, that's the kitchen there. You can go in and observe, see what it looks like.
Okay.
While I go upstairs and get you some cash, I'm hungry. So you go to the market and buy food stuff, prepare food for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Wow, this is fantastic, amazing. You're really a good cook. Wow.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad you like it.
Love it. I love it. Beautiful. Yeah. Amazing. What are you doing standing? Come on, sit down, join me.
No, sir. You're my boss. I'll pass.
Yes, I'm your boss, so I insist. Please.
I'm not hungry, sir. There is something bothering me.
Okay, I'm listening.
Sir, please, can I get my full payment in advance?
Excuse me?
Sir?
You barely started working 5 hours ago, and you're asking for a full payment in advance? Can I ask why?
Sir, I need to renew my rent. My landlord is on my neck. I need to renew my rent.
Oh. Okay, why don't you stay here? Yes, I mean, it will save you some money, so you use it for other things, and also save you the stress of transportation from your house to this place.
Sir, I don't think that's a good idea.
Why?
I don't want to inconvenience you.
And who said you will? Anyways, it's up to you. Just think about it and let me know what you decide, okay?
Okay, sir. Is it not bad enough that I'm working for him? Now he wants me to move in with him. I don't blame him. I blame my 2 legs for carrying me to this place in the first place, and the supper that made me accept this kind of job.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of dreams.
You're still in bed? Just get to work. And I don't want my kitchen looking messy like that again. Please.
Okay, sir.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Carol, did you get money I sent to you?
Yes, I did.
Alright, make sure you restock the kitchen, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Sir, I packed lunch for you. Here.
Thank you, but you shouldn't have. I don't take lunch to work. Just keep it. When I come back, I'll eat it.
Please, you barely touched your breakfast. Please.
Okay. You win. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Alright, have a nice day. Look at this house. Look at how everywhere is just glittering. I should be living in this house now as the madam of the house. But it was just fantasies. This is my reality. A common housekeeper. Anyway, I should be grateful that my boss is a good man and I have a roof over my head. It's okay.
Wrong with you? Why do I have to be the one to wake you up every morning? Don't you have an alarm clock?
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
I don't like it. Stop it. Please. Let this be the last time this will happen. You understand me?
Okay, sir.
Is something bothering you?
No, sir. Nothing is bothering me.
Yes. Something is definitely bothering you.
Nothing is bothering me, sir.
I can see it. I can see it in your eyes. What is it? You can confide in me.
But like I said, nothing is bothering me.
Hey, listen. I'm only concerned. I just want to help, okay?
I'm okay.
I'm just concerned.
Why?
Well, you are a young lady and soon you'll be a mother, right?
I appreciate your concern, but like I said, nothing is bothering me.
That's a lie. Something is definitely bothering you. It's either a sleep disorder or maybe you don't sleep at all, or you worry too much, or you stress too much before going to bed. What is it?
Are you a doctor?
Well, I'm not a doctor, but I've been in this situation before, so I understand. Listen, you know what's going to happen from now on. You need to try to sleep on time. And don't worry too much. Don't stress and don't think about unnecessary things and don't stress. I believe this will help. If it doesn't help, then you need to see a doctor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I made breakfast. See you at the dining table.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational.
I'm done in the kitchen. Once I clear this, I'll retire.
Retire. I'll clear this once I'm done, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Good night.
Is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift.
I missed you so much. Oh my God, why are you looking fresh? Sit down, sit.
Thank you.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Don't miss me, Joe. You did not miss me. I did not see. You missed me and you did not see me for 3 weeks. Is that fair?
Don't talk like that now. Don't talk like that. I
I
really
really
missed
angry.
you. I'm not angry with you again. The thing is, I got a job. Yes.
Oh my God, that's good news. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, what office?
It's a housekeeping job. Housekeeping.
I don't understand. You're a housemaid?
I didn't say housemaid. I said a housekeeper. A professional housekeeper.
Babe, which one is professional housekeeper? Housemaid and housekeeper is not the same thing. You're using English to confuse yourself. It's the same thing now. How can you do that kind of job? Like, have you forgotten you're a first-class graduate? If you don't form my hand, I beg.
So what do you want me to do? You want me to sit around and wait for a white-collar job that might never come? Please, I had to do what I had to do.
Congratulations, though. It can never be me. It can never be me. It can never be me.
Why is it going to be you? Is it not you again? Queen Elizabeth. Thelma, the Queen Elizabeth. It can never be you. I know. So please, enough about me. Let's talk about something else. I'm hungry. Did you cook?
I don't understand. Professional, white-collar, house... What do you call yourself again? Housekeeper. You did not cook for your madam Onoga before you came here? Or did not allow you to carry the food? Did they search you before coming here? Which one is that one?
I don't like what you're doing.
Okay, sorry. Where are you going? You will faint outside. Uncle will kill you. I don't have anything to cook, but we can do something together. We can cook. You cook, I'll help you.
Do you ever have something? Do you ever cook? Please, let's cook.
Yeah. Professional what again?
Professional housekeeper.
Okay.
Hello, Mama.
Chika Ramobi, I thought you said you found a man that wants to marry you. So when exactly is he coming to see your father and I? It's over 3 weeks now.
Mama, is this why you called me? I thought we were calling to wish me a happy birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday again. I'm still not married. Can't you see you're not getting any younger?
Mama, please, don't put me under pressure, okay? When the right time comes, I'm going to get married.
So, is it a crime for wanting my only daughter to get married and bear kids like an age?
Mama, please, I'm going to call you back. I'll call you back. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sir, please let me just...
It's fine. It's fine. You need to go and rest. Okay, Karen?
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Just go. Go get some rest.
Okay, let me just clear it.
Leave it. Leave it. Just go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. My God.
Happiest birthday, Karen. I hope this puts a smile on your pretty face. Tell me what. Why are you crying? What's wrong? Don't you like the gift?
I do. I didn't expect to get anything on my birthday. No one even wished me happy birthday today.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Listen to me. Don't let people steal away your joy. Don't let people steal away your happiness, your beautiful smile. Okay? I mean, if no one celebrates you, come on. Celebrate yourself. Alright?
Yeah.
It's okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
I appreciate this. It's beautiful.
You're welcome. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. You see that smile right there? That's what I want to see. I love it. It's okay. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
You know what? I feel like we should throw a party to celebrate your birthday. What do you think? Don't say anything. Don't say anything. I'm throwing a party. Okay? All I need you to do is get ready, meet me downstairs so we get to it. Okay? Don't keep me waiting. Tick tock, tick tock.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational.
I want to ask, why are you doing all of this for a mess staff?
You're not just a messed up, Kara. You are also my friend.
Sure.
And as friends, we are not supposed to keep things from each other, right?
I don't understand.
I just want to know why you acted the way you did the other day at the restaurant, because I'm just curious.
I thought you said you were never going to bring up that discussion.
Yeah, I know I said it, but I've, I've just been thinking about it. I feel like you hold a grudge against me. And
No, I don't hold any grudge against you, okay? I felt bad. I didn't know why you had to invite me to that place to tell me to help you ask my friend out. You would have just said it over the phone or at the mall that day.
I understand. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. And I also want to apologize for walking out on you that day. I didn't know how to react.
Oh, it's fine. I understand. We good?
Yes.
Okay. I met her again yesterday.
And?
Nothing. Never mind.
Are you still in love with her?
You know, I actually thought I was over her until I saw her again yesterday. It turns out I'm still in love with her.
I can actually help you get her.
You will?
Yes. But only on one condition.
Oh, really? We're doing this now?
We are.
Okay. What's your condition?
You are going to introduce me to one of your single friends.
What? One of my single friends? What are you talking about? I don't have any friends. Like, how many people have you seen come to visit me here before? I am friendless, so to say. Yeah.
So the offer is off the table.
Come on. You can't do that. Okay. You know what's going to happen? How about I introduce you to a platform where you can meet someone you possibly like?
A platform?
Yep.
What platform?
Tinder. A dating app.
Tinder. The one I heard is filled with unserious men. Oh, please.
Not every man you see on Tinder is unserious, okay? Listen, my cousin, she just got married to the love of her life and she met him on Tinder. You can find true love on Tinder. You just have to keep trying. Don't give up, okay? Come on. Don't be like that. Your phone. Give me your phone. Thank you. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to unlock it. Unlock. Thank you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to download this app and you are going to upload your best picture. Like your best picture. You're gonna upload it on your profile and you have to stay active and committed to it for you to actually find what you're looking for. Okay? Get a very nice caption and put there for your bio, whatever. Provided you link me up with Thelma. As promised and as agreed. We good? I can't hear you say yes.
I can't believe I'm finally doing this. Helping a man I love to get another woman. My best friend, to fall for him. Am I even doing the right thing? Will I ever get over him? This is going to be difficult for me. But I'm happy. I'm seeing around him. Maybe, just maybe, one day, he's going to change his mind. I have to put this down on my diary.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart.
Kara?
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every
Kara.
heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kara. You woke up on time today.
Yes, I did.
I'm impressed.
I've been practicing the strategies you taught me and it's been helping.
Oh, I see. That's a good one. I'm glad I could help.
So what are you up to?
Nothing much. I just want to go for a jogging. Have to burn a little calories. I'm saying, yeah.
Are you sure it's calories you want to burn? Or you want to get my friend Thelma's attention?
Well, both.
Don't bother yourself. I think I know the question you want to ask. If you follow the instructions that I gave you, trust me, my friend Thelma is going to fall for you.
Special, priceless,
Sure. I'm certain.
beautiful
Okay. I trust you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Let me run along now.
All right.
Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires.
Hi. Hi. Oh my God. What is it?
We'll meet again. How you doing?
I don't want to meet again. I've already told you I'm not interested at the sporting ground. Why are you following me around?
I'm not following you. It's just,
You are. Oh my God. Ow, ow.
sorry.
Stop! You just caused this. I told you.
I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
Oh my
You
God.
know what? Let me take you to my car. That's my car over there.
I don't want to go to your car. I have my own car.
Okay.
Oh God.
I'm sorry. Can I just massage it a little for you?
I don't need it. Can you leave me alone?
I'm sorry.
What is this?
I don't mean no harm. I mean good for you. Just relax, okay?
Oh my
Sorry.
God.
Sorry.
God.
Sorry.
Can you stop touching me, please?
Okay, you know what? Why don't I just transfer some money to your account so you can go for treatment? Say 500K. Is that okay? Give me your account number.
You caused this, okay?
I'm sorry. That's why I want to transfer this money to you. Just give me your account
Like,
number.
money doesn't solve everything. 012
Okay. 012
84.
Hold on. Oh boy. Whew. Oh my days.
You're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
So, how did it go?
Well, perfect. It even went better than I expected.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, tell me about it.
I'll do that later. For now, I am seriously exhausted. My feet hurt terribly.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah.
I bought hot water. Why don't you sit down and I'll come and massage your feet?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. That'll be nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Boy. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Is it that hot?
Yes, but that's what your feet needs.
Yeah. Ooh, yes. Oh, thank you.
So, tell me,
I thought I said late.
I'm sorry, sir, I'm just curious.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I guess she's into me. Like I said, it went well. It even went better than I expected. All of a sudden, she started acting all nice. And she even collected my number before I could ask for hers.
Wow. You are really making progress.
Yeah, sure. All thanks to you. Thank you, Cara. You're a genius.
You're welcome, sir. Is this okay now?
Yeah, this is okay. You can just do the other one.
Okay. Okay, I'll just place.
Oh, my days.
Special, priceless, beautiful special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love come to those who deserve.
I'm fine, sir. You look excited. Is there anything I should know? I'm sorry for asking.
Well, is it obvious?
Well, it's written all over you.
Interesting. Well, what can I say? Actually, I spoke to Thelma last night, and we are still texting each other right now. She's telling me she would like to pay me a visit.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, do you have any plans? Anything you want me to do?
No, not really. I don't have any plan. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty nervous.
So you don't have to be nervous. Okay, I'll tidy up the whole place and I'll cook her favorite meal. All you have to do is be in your best look. I mean, it's a good thing she said it's coming.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All right.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love.
Thelma.
Kara, what are you doing here?
I work here.
Oh. You two know each other?
Yes, we do.
Wow. I see. Interesting. Okay. I'll leave you two to catch up. Alright. Be right back.
Kara, what's the meaning of all this?
What's the meaning of what?
You're going to pretend? I know you're the mastermind behind all of this.
Please. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. You don't know. Then who has been feeding him all the information about me?
Oh yeah, relax. You don't catch me. My boss has been on my neck about you and I needed to help him out.
Okay, matchmaker. But Kara, you know me. I like money. This place looks good, but does he drop cash?
Thelma, everything is not about money, okay? And this shouldn't be about money for you.
So what is this about?
What? Please, I need to get back to what I'm doing. Just go and relax, get comfortable, okay? I'll see you later. Sit down.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh God. Why is this person disturbing me?
You should just speak up, okay?
I can't pick up. I can't pick up, babe.
Why?
Because I'm owing him and that's probably the reason why he's calling.
Okay, how much are you owing this person?
5 million.
Jesus Christ. 5 million what?
5 million naira.
5 million naira. Wow. Interesting. I mean, what kind of business did you do with this person that cost you 5 million naira?
So there's a guy. I bought goods from him on credit. The whole idea was for me to sell it and then make profit and pay him back, right? Business. But the whole store burnt down. I lost everything. Couldn't even save a penny. And ever since then, I haven't paid back. He keeps calling me and calling me. I told him to be patient, but how long is he going to be patient for, right?
Well, how long has this been?
It's been a year.
A year? Well, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry for your loss and for the trauma this must have cost you. Okay? I'm really sorry.
Wait. I just told you I owe somebody 5 million naira. The person is disturbing me. You're saying wow, and you're sorry for my loss. Did my father die? Babe, handle this.
What do you expect me to do?
Okay, I owe somebody money. I'm your girlfriend. You're my man. You have the money. Solve it.
Thelma, I don't know who you think I am or what you take me for, but I wrote you a check of 5 million naira a few days ago. And now you expect me to give you another 5 million naira. Again. In the space of how many days?
Tomiwa, the 5 million you gave me was for my business. And I put it in that business. It wasn't even enough. I had to put my own money. It's just 5 million. It's gone.
Okay.
This is a different situation.
Okay. I got you. I don't have. I don't have 5 million naira to give to you right now.
Tomiwa, you have. You're choosing not to give it to me.
I don't have 5 million naira, Thelma.
You don't have 5 million or you won't give me the 5 million.
However you wish to say it, I do not have 5 million naira. What? How long have we been in a relationship for? You're asking for 5 million naira.
Oh, so now you're counting days?
I am not counting days, but it's weird. I wrote you a check of 5 million naira a few days ago and you're asking for 5 million naira again.
Okay, it's not weird. Your girlfriend needs help and you're going to help me.
10 million naira within the space of how many days? How many days? 10 million naira. Only you.
But you have this money though. You have it.
I don't have 5 million naira. I don't have 5 million naira to give to you. In less than how many days? I just wrote you a check of 5 million naira. You're asking.
But we just cleared what the check you wrote me was for. Where are you going to?
I do not have 5 million naira to give to you.
Tomiwa, I don't want to be upset. Okay? I don't want to be upset. You have the money, you will give it to me. That's it.
Excuse me.
You heard me.
I do not have 5 million naira to give to you. Kill yourself.
You will give me that money. Hi, baby. I believe him. No. No, he's trying to be stubborn, but he will give me the money. I promise you I'll get double. I'll get double. Don't mind him. When I'm done, I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of
Hey,
true love
hey,
to
hey.
every heart.
Are you okay? What's the problem?
Love is the gift that every
You shouldn't be out
heart
here. You should be.
I can't be with her neither. So where should I be?
beautiful and so magical.
Is there a problem?
No, don't do that. I asked first. What's the problem? Talk to me.
It's my mother.
What's wrong with your mom? Is she okay?
She called to say that she's sick. But that's not even the problem. She said she will not forgive me if she eventually dies. And she hasn't seen her grandchildren. She's threatening me. I don't know what to do. I don't know if there is a place people pluck husband from trees.
Why don't you just look for a tree and block your husband so your mom can be satisfied?
Please, it's not funny.
Hey, I'm just trying to cheer you up, okay? It's okay. Take it easy. Tell me something, Kara. Do you really want to get married, or are you doing this just so you can get free from your mother's pressure?
Of course I want to get married. Just like every other young lady out there. I want to be genuinely loved and cared for. I want a soulmate, a companion. But the sad reality is, love is not meant for everyone.
No, you're wrong. Everyone deserves to be loved genuinely.
Maybe my case is different.
No.
Because it's as if I'm cursed.
No.
I love, and I love so hard. But what do I get at the end of the day? I end up being hurt.
Hey. Listen to me. Listen to me, Karen. No matter what has happened to you, no matter how bad you have been disappointed or hurt in the past, I want you to know something very important. Love will always find its way to you, as long as you're willing to open your arms wide and accept it. Okay? Cherub.
What's going on here? What is this? I'm asking you a question. I'm talking to you. Okay? Tell me, what were you doing downstairs with that maid? What were you doing with her? You left me in bed to be with her?
Oh my gosh, Thelma. Can you stop nagging?
Oh! I'm nagging now. Tell me I'm nagging because I asked you for just 5 million naira. And that's it. I'm nagging. Get your hands off me.
Okay, please. It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
Okay.
It's not okay.
I've heard you. But please, can we not argue over nothing? I'm sorry I left you all alone here and went downstairs. But trust me, whatever you saw downstairs, it's nothing.
I know what I saw. It's not nothing. Okay?
I'm telling you, it's nothing. Okay? Thelma, please. Can we just go back to being cool?
You want to be cool?
Yes.
Okay, I want to be cool too. Give me the 5 million.
Seriously, you expect me to write you a check of 5 million naira this night?
Why not? You have the hands, you have the money. Write the check. Here we go. Oh, I see it. So Kara called you downstairs and told you not to give me the money. That's what this is about. She told you not to give me the money, right?
Jesus Christ.
That prostitute. God.
Unbelievable. You know that, right?
Okay. If I'm lying, the 5 million. Now, please. 5M.
special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every.
Are you okay? What's the problem?
You shouldn't be out here. You should be...
I can't be with her neither. So where should I be?
Is there a problem?
No. Don't do that. I asked first. What's the problem? Talk to me.
It's my mother.
What's wrong with your mom? Is she okay?
She called to say that she's sick. But that's not even the problem. She said she will not forgive me if she eventually dies. And she hasn't seen her grandchildren. She's threatening me. I don't know what to do. I don't know if there is a place people pluck husband from trees.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
Look who's beamed up with smiles this early morning.
You started me, sir. How long have you been standing there?
Long enough to notice you smiling at your phone. So, back to the question. Who's behind the smile?
Oh, well, I was just reading through the chat of the guy I met on the dating app you introduced me to. He's so funny.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I like his sense of humor.
Oh, yeah?
He lightened up my mood last time.
I see. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Interesting.
It's hot. Sorry.
It's okay. Well, what can I say? I was worried about you last night and just happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how is your mother? Have you heard from her?
Oh yeah, I spoke with my younger brother. He said she's fine. She just wanted to scare me.
African mothers.
I know.
They can be so dramatic. Oh, babe, look at you. You're awake. Come here. Oh, babe.
What are you doing?
I'm making breakfast, but I'll soon be done.
It's okay. It's okay. I got it.
No, don't worry, I'll soon be done.
I said I got it. Get out. Go.
Babe, you didn't have to yell at her like that. Come on.
You always do this. Well, you were here. I asked her politely to leave and she refused, right? Kamura, why do you always take her side? Why?
Oh, please. I'm not ready for your troubles this morning. Just do your thing.
Really?
Thelma. You're going to see Soma, right? Right?
And how do you know that, Miss Nosy?
I overheard you talking to him on the phone a couple of hours ago.
Oh. So, Kara, this is the new thing. Going around the house, eavesdropping on my conversation.
That's not the point. The point is
Is that you're going to mind your business and stay away from mine. Kara, what's this now?
Thelma, Tomiwa loves you. It's high time you ended the relationship you have with other guys and stay faithful to the one that wants a future with you.
And if I don't?
I'm your friend, Thelma, and I am telling you the truth. Tomiwa does not deserve what you're doing to him. He cares a lot about you.
And that's why you want to snatch him away from me, right?
I beg your pardon?
Oh, shut up! You think I don't see you watching him around this house? You know what? I think it's about time I tell Tomiwa to kick you out of this house. Because now you're meddling in our affairs. Kara, mind your business. Listen, this is the last time I'm going to have this conversation about my relationship. You know me well now. Nonsense.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is there a problem?
No problem at all, ma'am. This package is actually for you. A dispatcher rider brought it not quite long, and I signed on your behalf.
You signed on my behalf.
Yeah, it's from Daniel.
Listen, next time, please don't sign on my behalf. Let me know before you take any item.
No problem.
Alright. Thank you.
What's going on here?
I got a package from Daniel.
Daniel, the guy you've been chatting with on the dating app.
Yes.
Wow. I mean, he's a sweet guy.
I know, right?
Yeah, he is. Wow. Anyways, where is Thelma?
She stepped out.
Oh, she stepped out. You know where she went to?
Oh no, I don't know. She didn't mention it. Um,
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm just telling you now, but I'm going on a date with Daniel. That's why this package is here tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight.
You really like this guy, though. I mean, you just started talking to him and you haven't even met him before.
I know I haven't met him, but we are going to see tonight.
Okay. All right. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. I need to talk to you. Now.
What is it? Why did you bring me here?
I want that girl out of this house now. Now!
Are you okay?
Am I okay? Look at me. Do I look okay to you? Tobiwa, how do you expect me to be okay when all you do is hang out with that man snatcher the whole day?
Yo. You need to chill, okay? What are you talking about? Kara and I have been friends even before you came into this house. So tell me, you expect me to all of a sudden become hostile to her because of you? For no reason? Huh?
You see it? No, do you see it? We're fighting. We are fighting because that girl is trying to come between us.
I cannot see it. And I don't know what you're talking about. Listen, Thelma, you need to freshen up, catch some sleep, and rest, okay? Take it easy, please.
If she doesn't leave, I go.
Kara isn't going anywhere. Okay?
Nonsense. Nonsense. I think I have time for this shit. Open the hell. I think I will stay in this house and beg anybody for nonsense. That's not me. I'm not that girl. You're standing there. What are you standing there for? You're not going to talk to me? You're not going to beg me? Let me clap for you. The man that keeps quiet about everything. But listen, you're never, ever going to see a girl like this in your life, ever. You know why? Because I'm classy. I have everything it takes. So just stand there and watch me. Whatever you guys are planning, it's going to fail. It's going to fail in your face. Do you understand me? She doesn't have what I have. She doesn't look like me. Skin in. Everything a girl needs, I have it. Stand there and watch me. But watch. You're going to call me. The line is going to be busy. Bitch. Nonsense. Keep watching. Open the damn gate!
Special, priceless, beautiful.
Hey.
Is the gift of true love to every heart.
See that girl that just left now?
Perfect, peaceful.
I never want to see her in this compound again. Do you understand me? Make sure.
Is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful.
Finally, she's out of my life for good. I'm free from constant nagging and unnecessary billing. Falling for her was the biggest mistake I've ever made. Thank God she made cutting off ties with her very easy for me.
Beautiful and so magical. When true love finds you, love is a gift that every heart desires.
Did she leave her phone intentionally so she can have a reason to come back?
Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart.
Now, who's this? Who are you, Mr. Man? And what are you doing with my baby's phone? Oh, you're one of those small boys that I'm sharing my somewhere with, right? I beg your pardon? Because shut up, bossy son. Better go and hide. Because if I catch you, I'll lock you up. Go and ask of Chief Douglas Omego. I don't joke with my baby girls. Go and give her the phone. You're imbecile.
Perfect, peaceful, sensational.
So I've been sharing Tema with someone else.
The gift of true love to every heart.
Interesting.
Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Interesting.
It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
This was not the plan. This was not the plan. I actually thought that this man was going to come and beg me to stay and agree to chase that idiot out of this house. But no. How can Tomiwa just stand there and watch me leave? God, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? Anyways, maybe he'll still come around and beg me. I know Tomiwa. Tomiwa loves me and he loves me so much. He won't just let me go like that. I'm a full spec. Kara, don't worry. If I eventually lose this guy because of you, Kara, I swear to God, I will kill you with my bare hands. Nonsense.
Who is this? You're standing there. You don't see me knocking. Open the gate.
Madam, I'm sorry. I can't open the gate for you. Oga instructed me not to open gate for you.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Come on, will you open this gate? Don't you know me? Come on, will you open this gate? See, that's your salary. I swear you will not see it this month. You're a very stupid man. Baby, can you tell this idiot to open the gate for me? Open the gate. Have you not seen your Oga? Thank you, baby. Hey, open the gate. Open the gate.
Your sugar daddy called you. I'm sure he can't wait to have you wrapped around his arms.
What are you talking about? You started this thing again. What? Did Karen now tell you this? What are you talking about? Babe, open the gate. Let me come in. Let's talk. I know I have anger issues. I know.
So you do older married men, Thelma.
What?
You're so shameless. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, he's texting you. He really misses you. You should call him back, please. Listen to me. I never want to see you around me or my compound ever again. Do you understand? The next time you come around here, I promise you, I'm going to call the cops on you.
Baby.
Do you understand?
Babe, because of a little fight that we had, we can talk about it. Is it because we had a little argument? Baby, okay, let's talk about it. Okay, yes, I know I have an attitude problem. Baby, listen. I know I have an attitude problem, but I can... Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, listen. Baby, just listen. Don't close the... Baby, don't close the door. Oh my God. Okay. What am I going to do now? Tommy, why is a good guy? He's a good guy. How did I mess this thing up? I was going to settle down. With this man. But see, that my so-called friend just ruined everything for me. What am I going to do? God. I have to think about something. You stop messaging me. Hey. Okay.
I'm so sorry. I would leave if it's going to bring her back.
You knew all along that she was cheating on me. And you said nothing about it. Why?
How did you find out?
Why did you keep it from me, Kara? I thought you cared about me.
She's my friend. I couldn't snitch on her. I was hoping she's going to change. I'm so sorry things turned out this way. And I pray that you get over it quickly. I want you to also know that love is going to find its way back to you.
Are you still going on the dates with the Tinder guy?
No.
Why? Why?
I would want to stay here with you and help you go through this difficult time. As a friend.
Sorry. Who told you I was going through a difficult time? Today is the happiest day of my life. Oh. Kara, go on your date, okay? Go.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless.
What is this one again? What kind of nonsense is this?
Is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Hello, Chief. Please, what's going on? I don't know if you know what's going on. There's a lock in front of my house. My gate is locked.
I no longer want you anywhere close to my property. that your useless boyfriend.
Chief, who is boyfriend again? What are we talking about?
The stupid boy that had the temerity to answer your calls.
Ah!
Shut up! You think I'm a baby, right? Look, I am older than your father.
Ah! Chief, that's my brother now. That's my brother. Is that why you locked the gate?
So don't even try to fool me. Why do you refuse to pick my calls? I called you more than 30 times and you ignored it because you were obviously having a good time with that small boy, giving him what was supposed to be my personal meal.
Chief, please. Okay, I don't want to be rude, but we decided that we're going to do this thing, keep it discreet, and everybody will just keep it on the low key. Did you expect me to now just keep myself for an old man? You have several side chicks. I don't disturb you. I act like I don't see anything. Now you're coming to come and be locking gates. Chief, this was not the deal that we had. I've had a very bad day. Oh, please, can you come and lock this gate for me?
I did my own part of the deal, but you failed to do yours. No need for long talks. I have made my point clear. Stay away from that house if you don't want to spend the rest of your life in
Chief,
jail.
hello?
Goodbye.
Hello? Oh, God. What kind of day is this now? What kind of day is this? I've lost Tommy wife. I've lost Tommy wife. Chief, now come and lock this. I've lost my house. What a problem? God, who swear for me like this? What will I do now? Hey, God. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Jesus, God. Oh, help me. Father God, send me a helper. Send me somebody. Thank you, Jesus. Hello, Bala baby. Hey, God, no. Okay. I'm not giving up this car. I'll die inside this motor. I'm not going any. God, I beg. Motor will be my house.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful.
Wow.
Sensational.
My goodness. You look beautiful. Stunning.
Thank you.
I really hope this one works out for you.
I hope so too. The driver is waiting, so I have to go now.
Okay. See you.
Alright, see you.
Who's that?
This is so wrong. What kind of a man keeps a woman waiting
for so long? Reasons being that I was trying to build my confidence first. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, Kara.
I don't understand.
Hi. My name is Tomiwa Daniel Adebayo. Nice to meet you.
You are Daniel Adebayo.
Yeah.
Are you playing games with me?
No, Kara. I am the one behind the fake account. I've been the one chatting you all as well.
What?
Remember the other night? You told me about how your mom kept pressuring you to get married. And how unlucky you've been with relationships.
Yes.
Kara, that night I kept thinking. Because I was worried about you. I was thinking of a way to cheer you up. Truth be told, my intentions was to keep you moving. To make you believe that there is someone. Of course, there is someone. Because
And opening a fake account was the only way you could do that? This is unbelievable. What about the video calls? The voice calls? How do you explain that?
when you kept demanding to see my face and hear my voice, I had to contact a cousin of mine to do the job.
Hold on. So you did all of this because you pitied me and you wanted to make me feel better? I confided in you because you are the only one close to me. And you talk with my emotions because you want to make me feel better.
Kara, please. I know plotting all of this with a fake account and involving my cousin got to you. I know. Plus a few other things I've done to piss you off. Kara, I am sorry. Please forgive me. But believe me when I tell you this. All these things gave me more reasons to love you even more. Please, Kara. See me through thick and thin. I have fallen in love with you. I love you.
You have feelings for me.
Yes.
Then why? Why did you toy with my friend?
I never told with your friend. She deserved what she got. Carol, like I said before, it wasn't my intention. I only did that to keep you moving. But look where we are now, and I can't help how I feel about you. I can't stop this feeling, Carol. I don't know how to stop it. Because it's too strong.
Oh, God.
Your diary. Why? Why did you bottle all of that from me?
I didn't tell you because I felt you don't have feelings for me. And you were already in love with my friend.
But I'm in love with you now, Karen. I'm in love with you now. Okay? Be my woman, please. I love you. From the depth of my heart, I love you.
I love you.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true.
It's okay. It's okay. It's enough. You can tell your mom now to start expecting her grandchildren soon.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.